Welcome back to Auto World Cars, the channel where we bring you the latest car reviews, news, and insights. Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Mazda CX-5, an SUV that continues to impress with its stylish design, refined interior, and engaging driving experience. If you're looking for a compact SUV that offers a perfect blend of luxury, performance, and practicality, the CX-5 might be the right choice for you. Mazda has refined the exterior of the 2025 CX-5, keeping its signature Kodo design philosophy while adding modern touches. The front grille is now more pronounced, seamlessly integrating with the sleek LED headlights. The sculpted body lines give the SUV a dynamic and sporty presence. New alloy wheel designs and additional color options enhance its premium appeal. Whether parked or in motion, the CX-5 exudes sophistication. Step inside, and you'll find an interior that's designed for both comfort and technology. High-quality materials and soft-touch surfaces give it an upscale feel, while the updated dashboard layout adds a modern touch. The highlight is the new 10.25-inch infotainment system, which now supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A digital instrument cluster provides crisp and clear driving information. The seats are ergonomically designed with available heating and ventilation for added comfort. Rear passengers will appreciate the generous legroom, making long trips more enjoyable. Under the hood, the 2025 Mazda CX-5 offers two engine options. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine producing around 187 horsepower and 186 lb-ft of torque. For those seeking more power, the turbocharged 2.5-liter engine delivers up to 256 horsepower and 320 lb-ft of torque with premium fuel. Both engines are paired with a responsive 6-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and engaging driving experience. Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system comes standard, ensuring excellent traction and stability in all road conditions. The CX-5 has always been known for its agile handling, and the 2025 model is no exception. The suspension has been fine-tuned for better ride comfort while maintaining the sporty driving dynamics Mazda is famous for. Whether you're navigating city streets or taking on winding roads, the CX-5 offers a confident and enjoyable drive. Safety is a top priority for Mazda, and the 2025 CX-5 comes equipped with the latest iActive Sense safety suite. Features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking help ensure a safe driving experience. The SUV has also received excellent crash test ratings, adding to its appeal as a family-friendly vehicle. Now, let's talk about pricing. The base model of the 2025 Mazda CX-5 is expected to start at around $30,000, while the fully loaded turbocharged variant could go up to $42,000, depending on the trim and additional features. Given its premium feel, advanced